Hey guys, I'm John. This is the Maono AU-PM420, 420, and the channel is JS Techie. Alright, so all these specs are listed on the box. We'll go over them really briefly. Probably doesn't mean much to most of you anyways. Has 192 kilohertz sampling rate, 24-bit, cardioid, has a professional sound chipset, USB 2.0 plug and play with Windows and Mac, 16 millimeter diaphragm mic capsule, full metal casing, comes with a boom arm. On the back here, you get the frequency response. It's pretty flat, a little bit, looks like, yeah, I don't know exactly what that means. Polar pattern, cardioid. And frequency response 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. I think that's pretty standard. Yeah. So it's a USB B connectors to USB A. Like to see USB C. This goes for about $70 online. They actually reached out to me and asked me to look at this. So full disclosure, they did reach out to me to look at it. So what do we get in the box? Well, looks like you get the mic, a cable, and a boom arm, and a pop filter even. It's just pictured. It doesn't say explicitly that you get one, but yeah. You get a card. Get a user manual. We're not going to need that. It's plug and play. You do get a pop filter. So this is pretty nice. Pretty maneuverable. You do get a windscreen as well if you'd rather use this over this. I will not be using that, I don't think. Alright, now you get a shock mount. It's pretty nice actually. It's made out of like a thin metal, but maybe plastic. It's really actually hard to tell. Anyways, you get a shock mount. Here's the desk mount. That actually is pretty robust. It's more robust than the ones you usually get with the cheaper arms. Here's your USB B to A cable for the mic. Here is the arm itself. I mean that's basically standard. It kind of looks exactly like the cheap one that I have right here. Good to know. And then here we go. Here is the mic itself. It's actually really robust. This feels pretty good in the hand. It's really weighty. Completely metal. Yeah, there's like no give in that. It's pretty nice. Yeah, so looks like you talk to it like this. You're talking to the part. There's no gain knob or way to monitor with this. It does kind of look like it's meant to be more of a sorry, it does kind of look like it's meant to be more of an XLR port. It's kind of just adjusted. Alright, so that's pretty cool. How are we going get this all together? So I'm gonna get this set up and we are going to see what it sounds like. I'll be right back. This is what the Maono PM420 sounds like. Now the pop filter, I don't like the way it mounts at all, but this is what it sounds like. So here I am. I've got the pop filter and the shock mount on. I'm a few inches away from the mic. It's just angled. It's kind of like at a 45 degree angle downwards from my mouth. I've got the other mic over here. So this is the Fifine K683. That was what I was using earlier. It's a little cheaper than this, but it doesn't come with the arm or the pop filter. Or it does have a pop filter, but it's different. But that one also has gain control on it and audio monitoring on the mic itself. But yeah, so this is what this product sounds like. I haven't adjusted any of the settings on it. It doesn't look like I'm peaking. Let's see how well the shock mount like does its job basically. So I'm gonna tap the desk a few times. Okay, I'm gonna tap the arm on the lower part. Okay, and tighten everything up a little bit. Maybe that'll help. Okay, and here's some plosives for you guys. So please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. And then I'm gonna take this off. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Pronto. Damn, what the hell? Anyways, that should give you some, idea about the plosives with and without the pop filter on it. The shock mount, it is friction mounted, so basically it gives you something to squeeze to open it up to slide the mic in. Pretty easy to get that on. The adapter for the arm is already in the shock mount. Easy to do, plug and play, device set it up right away. So yeah, there's no real issues. It comes with a strap it comes with two, for cable management, so you could strap the cable to your arm. It's pretty good to see that. And it does come with a windscreen for the mic as well. So let me know what you guys think of this mic. I haven't listened to it yet. I'm gonna listen to it. Just let me know what you guys think of this mic so far. Is it good? Is it worth the $70 price tag? The fact that it comes with a pop filter and the mic arm, is that something you guys are looking for? Like a package deal? Would you rather just have a really good mic? Or, just let me know what you guys are actually looking for in mics, because that's actually something really interesting to me personally. So I'm going to listen to this thing. I'm going to give my thoughts on it, but I'd really like to know what you guys think. All right, guys. So I listened to actually both mics kind of closely to see what the differences are. I think this mic sounds pretty good considering the whole package. These mic arms usually go for around $13, and the pop filters, like a couple bucks. And the shock mount and the mic. So when you think about it as a package deal, this is a really solid product. I think the mic sounds pretty good too. The only issues was the noise through the boom arm. I could pick that up in the mic itself when I was listening back. I did hear that. I'm not saying that this mic is set up in a much better position than this mic is, to be fair. So obviously if you have the arm more out of the way, you're less likely to hit it to cause those kind of noises. But the shock mount, you could hear every tap pretty solidly through. This one, the other mic doesn't even have a shock mount on. I'm sure this helps a little bit, considering it's, suspended. But yeah, the pop filter definitely makes a difference. You could hear the plosives were much more pronounced without it. So makes sense. Obviously it breaks up the wind as it hits the microphone. Solid product in my personal opinion. I don't know if I'll be using this mic now on, or if I'll keep with the Fifine. I've got some thinking to do. But if you guys are interested in this product, there will be links down below. And have a great day, guys. Thank you very much. If you liked the video, please drop a like and subscribe. Have a great night. Goodbye.